For $38 I got myself Calumet's quick release video head adapter. So let's open it up, take a look and see how compatible this is to Manfrotto's 502 fluid head.
Camera set. Mark it. And action.
Okay, so here we have the two plates side by side, this one being the Calumet and that one being the 502 fluid head. Other than this one being slightly longer, they are exactly the same fixtures and fittings wise, so it means you can use both of these inside the quick release plate or inside the 502 fluid head. They come with a 1/4 and a 3/8 inch screw in, so you can attach it to pretty much any type of device that you have or rig situation. It has a button here to release the plate, and it has a screw on the other side to tighten it up for securing it when you've got the exact angle you want. It has two screw-in holes here, one for the 1/4 and one for the 3/8 inch. You can either use it to store the two little screws that you get, or you can mount some arms to it. These both work with the Manfrotto 502 fluid head, and they both work with the Calumet quick release plate.